bench time under tension. Just like the squat example, we can also do time under tension while using the bench press. The principle of time under tension is we need to expose the muscle to a tension of at least 45 seconds. So how we manipulate the reps and the lowering and the raising of the bar can determine how long the exercise lasts for. So I'm going to do a time under tension example of a 6-second lower, a 1-second hold, a 1-second raise for a total of 8 seconds for each rep. And I need to do at least 6 reps of that exercise to get that 45+ second parameters, okay? So I unrack the bar, 6-second lower, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1 second, raise for 1. Total of 8 seconds. I'll do that 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hold for 1, press for 1. I've used time under tension in a lot of my contact combat sports. I've worked a lot in MMA, and using that time under tension puts the muscle under a lot of tension and stress and then exploding big power on the press up.
If you found this video useful and want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe below and don't forget to hit the notification bell.